2NURFM, a broadcast service of the University of Newcastle.
Good things about starting our morning program on a Monday and getting through the Monday blues is that we finish off by having a chat with our chef of the day, and it's always Gavin Forman coming back for 2018. Good to have you with us.
Thank you. Thanks for having me back. I like that, chef of the day.
Yeah.
It's like a dish on a menu. We have chef of the day. Thanks very much.
Well, you're out. Next time we've got somebody else.
Oh, cool.
Somebody that's going to be nicer to us than...
Well,
no.
That wouldn't be hard to be nice to you.
Look, no. Look, this week, you're going to kick us off just right. We're going straight to the dessert menu. Now, before we get into what it is, you actually need to give credit to a member of staff.
Yes.
So let me get you out of trouble before we start.
Okay, well, Belinda, this is her recipe, and it's not what I was going to go with, but she stuck up for you and went, you've got to start the year nice. Give them this.
So it's a peppermint cheesecake. It looks quite divine.
Yeah, individually, not a big cake, individually in a glass tumbler. So, yeah, it's quite easy to do. That's why she made it. I don't mean that, Belinda. Sorry.
You can't make good meals. You're not capable. All you can do is put a bit of cake and a bit of chocolate together.
No, her desserts are excellent.
Okay, fair enough. So let's. We have got the recipe on our website, but let's just take us through what's in this tumbler this morning.
Okay, well, it's a biscuit base, a mixture of milk chocolate and cream cheese, peppermint crisp, peppermint chocolate, whipped cream, gelatin. Well,
let's have a taste.
It ticks a lot of the boxes. I'd imagine this one will be staying. Sometimes you can just take that with you. I can imagine that this will be going nowhere today.
No, you're right. Sometimes we I sort of ask other people, do you want some of this? Do you want some? Not today.
No,
you can't have it.
You're licking the glass.
You know, anybody that watches the film later can prove that I am not actually doing that. So, you know, it's not just radio, it's also a bit of TV.
Yeah,
that's really nice.
There's just different textures through it, which is beautiful, and I like the crunch of the biscuit right at the bottom.
It's not sort of thick and heavy like you get sometimes, is it?
As I said, she's an excellent chef, and especially when it comes to desserts.
Yeah. Oh, well, you're okay now. The rest of your workday's going to be pretty good. Yeah, no, lots of chocolate, nice amount of pepper, but it's not sort of overbearing.
No, it's quite delicate. The flavour's quite delicate. It's not in your face. There is a few really bright green bits from the peppermint crisp.
So you point out that that's exactly what that's from, not from anything else on the way.
Yeah, that's exactly what that is. You don't go out to spilt creme de menthe on the way. Well, actually, creme de menthe over the top of that would be quite nice.
That really would. Now, you did mention that, Gav, that this wasn't your first choice. So can I get a hint of what your first choice was?
Cause you're going to have to wait.
Is that next time?
Yes, I'm going to have to come up with some diabolical plan. Right. Something delicious that's just going to explode your palate.
Yeah, you have to be nice. You keep in mind, I did come and work a night in your kitchen for free.
Let's use the word work loosely.
I appeared.
Okay.
I appeared.
And what time was the first beer? Was that before we finished? Or?
Oh, look.
No, we won't talk about it.
Making fun of me. It was a good time. Mate, this is really good. If you really love cheesecake, even if you think, oh, peppermint, I'm not sort of too phased on that. Because I'm not huge on peppermint generally, but this is really good.
Yeah, it's very
delicate. I will be
delicate.
keeping this.
I thought as much. But you could change the biscuit. You could change it from a peppermint biscuit. You could use an Oreo biscuit, make it chocolate vanilla. You could use whatever you like.
A caramel crown, maybe.
Yeah.
Oh,
even smash up a Kit Kat and put it in there.
You could do that. Mate, sounds good. Thank you for the first one back.
Not a problem.
We'll catch you at a fortnight. Details are at 2NURFM.com. The recipe for Gav's chocolate peppermint cheesecake on 2NURFM.